Imagine your favorite playlist suddenly having a voice, one with a fun fact about the artist you're listening to, or offering behind-the-scenes stories and throwing in quirky commentary between tracks. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. No, don't mistake it as a radio host. It's AI, and it's coming to YouTube Music. As part of a new initiative called YouTube Labs, Google is testing an experimental feature called AI Music Hosts. Rolling out to a limited number of users in the US, this feature aims to take your listening experience to another level thanks to AI-generated commentary. Think of it as Spotify's AI DJ, but on YouTube. The AI Music Host can be turned on or off by a new button that appears on the now playing screen, just beside the rating thumbs icons. If you turn it on, the AI will occasionally serve up with fun facts or artist insights, all in an attempt to make your passive listening feel more like a radio show. YouTube is giving its experimental features page a new name called YouTube Labs. It used to be a simple page at youtube.com/new, but now it's focused on trying out new AI tools. The AI Music Hosts are the first of many new features coming to explore how AI can improve YouTube. While YouTube hasn't confirmed it yet, but a YouTube Premium tag on the announcement suggests you'll need a subscription to join the fun, at least for now. But YouTube has a history of rolling out its previous upgrades to wider audiences, so even if you didn't take the first cut, there's still hope this AI DJ will one day be chatting in your earbuds. Would you prefer only listening to music while listening to music, or do you want this radio playing in your ears too? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.